If Leonardo AI is not letting you upload an image, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick fixes that solve this issue for a lot of users. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to refresh your session, check whether browser extensions are causing the problem, and create a clean version of your image that Leonardo can accept. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast AI troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common fix, which is force refreshing your session. Sometimes Leonardo AI gets stuck because the browser session is corrupted or the connection between your account and the upload server is no longer working properly. To fix that, go to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. From there, choose Log Out. Once you're logged out, we want to clear out the current browser state completely. Right-click on your browser and select Inspect. This opens the developer tools. Now go to the reload button in your browser, right-click it, and choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This forces the browser to reload Leonardo AI from scratch instead of using stored files that may be broken or outdated. After that, log back into Leonardo AI and try uploading your image again. In many cases, this alone solves the issue because the session is now fresh and clean. If the upload works after this step, then the problem was likely caused by a corrupted session or cached browser data. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Privacy tools, ad blockers, and script blockers can interfere with Leonardo's upload process without giving you a clear error message. That means the site may look normal, but the upload button or file connection can quietly fail in the background. To test this, open an Incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a clean browser window with most extensions disabled. Then go directly to Leonardo AI, sign in again, and try uploading the same image. If the upload works in Incognito, that is a very strong sign that one of your browser extensions is blocking the normal window. At that point, you can go back to your regular browser and disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Start with ad blockers, privacy shields, download managers, and any extension that modifies website scripts. Now, if the image still will not upload, there's one more fix that often gets overlooked, and that is stripping broken metadata by resaving the image. Sometimes Leonardo AI rejects a file if it contains unsupported metadata, a weird color profile, or a file structure that looks damaged even though the image appears normal to you. To do this, open the original image on your computer. Then take a screenshot of it using the snipping tool. On Windows, press Windows, Shift, and S. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and 4. Capture the image area, then save that new screenshot as a fresh PNG file. This creates a clean version of the image with much simpler data, which often uploads without issue. Now go back to Leonardo AI and upload the screenshot version instead of the original file. In many cases, this bypasses whatever hidden problem was stopping the upload before. If your original file was the issue, this method usually gets you past it immediately. So to recap, if you are unable to upload an image in Leonardo AI, first force refresh your session, then test in Incognito to rule out extension conflicts, and finally create a clean screenshot version of the image to remove broken metadata. One of these 3 fixes solves the problem for most users. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tips and fixes, and leave a comment if you want a full Leonardo AI troubleshooting playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.